Welcome back to another exciting life hack that'll make your daily routine a breeze. Ever battled the kitchen drawer dilemma? The one where you crack it open and it's a tangled mess of plastic bags? Frustrating and time-consuming, isn't it? But today I've got a nifty trick to conquer this common kitchen chaos. Ever considered an empty paper towel tube for this? Yes, something you'd normally discard, but we're about to give it a second life, one that brings order to your kitchen. Here's the trick. Flatten the tube, ensuring a good crease for secure bag storage. Fold your plastic bags into neat shapes and slide them one by one into the tube. Before you know it, your bags are going from chaos to order in a matter of moments. Just like that. Your plastic bags are now neatly stored, and the best part? You can easily pull them out when needed. No more rummaging. This simple hack makes your daily kitchen routines smoother. Here's a bonus. This life hack is not only tidy but also recycles an item you'd usually toss. A win-win solution. Give it a try and relish in the convenience of a clutter-free kitchen. Thanks for tuning into this quick, effective life hack. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy tips to simplify your life. Until next time, stay organized and make life a little easier. See you soon.